Hey everybody, I just got in the mail today my W.O.C. Comes in a beautiful purple packaging. Lady at the post office is like, this is so pretty. She didn't even get to see the box. So let's see what's inside. Got some Scottish news. Nice little sticker, which I'm not going to be able to get off that paper. A book on what's in the box. It's all dedicated to Robbie Burns, because Robbie Burns Day is in January.
Who's Robbie Burns?
He is a poet.
Ah, thank you.
Burns Cottage, Botanic Isles, hand-poured in Scotland candle. Burns Cottage. It smells a lot like Axe.
I like it. It does. That is so weird.
Some raspberry white chocolate shortbread bites.
So Jen, how does it taste?
We'll find out. Oh my gosh, I'm having like a child moment here.
She cannot get into the box.
It's a personal issue.
That looks pretty good, actually.
There's a lot in there.
Is it a shortbread or is it a cookie or?
Shortbread bites.
C'est bon? And I only get half.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It's just a little. It's like if I got crumbs.
You want a crumb? I can give you a crumb.
Let's see the box. Loch Ness Bakeries. I like it. Look at the little logo. This is Nessie. Cool.
Suitable for vegetarians. No artificial flavorings. No artificial colors. No hydrogenated fats. No artificial preservatives.
Tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes different than North American shortbread cookies.
Because ours are garbage.
I find ours have more sugar.
Ours are just garbage.
I still like them.
You're talking about like the Wortmans, you get like 100 for like $2. There's
No, just any kind of shortbread cookie. Say what else do we get?
an envelope with
What are those?
rolling papers. Oh, place cards.
Rolling papers. Oh, okay.
Excuse me.
Look
You're
at
pretty.
that. Okay.
I'm confused about the mouse, but the thistles are absolutely beautiful.
Ooh, what's that?
A man's a man. Wait. A man's a man for that. Robert Burns, 1795. It's a bagpipe.
Oh yeah.
I love bagpipes.
Okay.
Pat hates bagpipes. And the
I hate
piece de
fiddles.
resistance.
I also hate fiddles.
Oh yeah, that's
That is nice. Who makes it?
something fabulous from Earth Squared. Fabulous and fair trade.
That is really. What kind of material is it? It's like a jean material or
No, it's a wool material, pretty sure.
a wool material?
Feels like a wool.
Okay. How much?
Hold on, I gotta read what's inside of it.
The directions. How to use. Fill and zip.
60% wool, 40% polyester, cold hand wash.
Nice. Are you gonna use it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's purpley, it's blue.
So for our Canadian residents, how much is this monthly subscription?
I got the discounted one because I got the year one.
Okay.
So I agreed to a year.
Okay.
So it's like $29.95 pounds.
Okay, but to CAD, how much you pay CAD?
I didn't look.
You just said I'm buying, and I said okay.
This is when I had money in my account and I didn't care.
Oh, so you paid for a whole year?
No, I didn't pay for a whole year. It was a monthly, but you agreed to the year.
You get a discounted
you
price.
get the discounted price per month.
Nice.
But this is when I had money in my account and I didn't care.
Yep. Mother hits out over safety on uni campus. I don't know what that's
Says.
about. Sick.
So the Mother Takes
Says.
Out is definitely going to be more of their lingo than our lingo, because to me, I'm kind of like, just playing baseball.
Yeah, but she got out, so she's not that good. So when's the next box?
Should be in by the end of February, hopefully.
Are you gonna make a video about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. After you eat the cookies?
Ooh, I still have my tea from the last time I ordered them last year.
How was that tea?
I still have it because I've been savoring it. It's for special occasions only.
Well, since
I don't know where to buy it. You can't buy it in Canada.
since you bought a house, I think you should have one at some point.
Oh, I have been having them.
Oh, okay,
I've had
good.
two since we moved here.
Good. Good.
Problem is I don't know where to buy Edinburgh tea around here.
In
There
Canada.
might be a place in Ottawa I can order it from.
Okay. Awesome.
I'll have to check.
So yeah, so we're gonna make these videos as unboxings or whatever, because we had actually good views and whatever doing unboxings, 'cause people love this kind of stuff.
Which means I'm gonna be doing these ones. Pat's gonna get his picked out when he figures out which one he wants.
Oh.
Different ones.
I just don't know.
Gonna
gonna-
do some research.
Yeah, it's gonna be for another video. Okay, bye.
Bye.